this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reset passwords on Active Directory. So for example, let's say we're on Server Manager. We're going to go under Tools, and then we're going to select Active Directory Users and Computers. This is one way that you can reset password. There's multiple ways. This is the most classic way that people usually do it. So for example, in this case, I have my domain, the scam world, and then I have my organizational units. So in this case, I have Adrian. So what I'm gonna do to reset his password, I'm just gonna right click it and then reset password, select the option reset password. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset his password. So type the new password that you guys want to restart. If his account is locked, you can select this option to unlock the user account. So in this case, I'm gonna select to unlock the account and then hit OK. And then as you guys see, the password has been changed. Let's say, for example, somebody call you and then their account is locked out. What we can do, we can just right click this and then select enable account. And then this will enable their accounts. And this was one way that we can access Active Directory. Like I said, the most popular way, going under Tools and then selecting Active Directory Users and Computers. But there's more ways. There's a simple way. Let's say you guys Server Manager is closed. All you can do, you can type Active Directory Users and Computers, and then you can go straight to Active Directory from your guys' server. So there's no point of accessing Server Manager, but Server Manager has all the tools. So this is it for this video. In this video, I teach you how to reset passwords in Active Directory in 2025. See you in the next video.